about the way you stare into my eyes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are doing the final reveal of our mini hallway makeover series. Just to recap, we did do a gallery wall and I'm going to link that video up above. I also did post a video about me creating some really cool 3D artwork to hang in my hallway as well. So I'm going to post a little recap of that and we'll link that video above as well. Today we're going to finish up the actual hallway. I did buy some slat panels from Amazon and we're going to continue to kind of paint the hallway and just put all the artwork up and get it together. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, so we are about to put up our slat wall. I have this up high so that you can see, but I went ahead and bought these slat planks or whatever you want to call it from Amazon. I will link this down below. I've never used this before, and honestly the vendor that I bought this from, I don't think it had that many reviews, so I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time. This is peel and stick, okay? This is peel and stick. That's why I got it, because I was like, oh, this is easy. I'm all for doing things without using a whole lot of tools. So we'll see. The only thing that I noticed is that these may not be long enough. So, and then also for this particular wall, so this wall is kind of like a little indentation, and I'll kind of show a video of how it looked before. It's just like a little like angle wall, so I was like, I kind of wanted this to be almost like a feature wall in a sense. This is where I kind of had my mannequin on display, so I still want to keep my mannequin over here, but I'm like, we could jazz up the wall a little bit. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully once I do that, I might put my mannequin back over here just so I could then figure out like what's next and be inspired on the mural. So let's go ahead and do this. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing, so let's just see how this goes. So the process of working with this slat wall was great. Honestly, it probably took all of seconds to get this on the wall. The peel and stick made it so easy. And also it's one of those things where the material is flexible enough that if you wanted to or had a need to cut it, you can probably do so with an X-Acto knife or just any other sharp edge to really, curate the design that you want. This was $99. There might be cheaper ones on Amazon, but I will link my Amazon storefront so that you all can see. All right, you all, so now it's time to move on to the accent wall. So yeah, let me come out. So now it's time to move on to the accent wall. So this is the progress. This is how we're looking so far. We did the gallery wall. That is part one. We got our slat feature wall. I put the mannequin here. I just was too excited. I could not wait to get the mannequin over here. It looks so good already, and I haven't done anything. Now the accent wall. What I'm gonna do is just paint this whole wall this color because I really like this color. I think it brings warmth without like me having to paint the entire hallway. So I'm gonna paint the whole wall this color, and then we're actually gonna go to the stores, HomeSense, Home Goods, to see if I can find, I have a picture in my head of the type of artwork that I would like to display here. So we're gonna go to the stores just to see if we can find something that really works for the wall. The one thing that is really frustrating me is when they made this house, they did not think about decor. Why would you put the switch in the middle of this large wall space? Like, they literally could put it on the side. They could have put it anywhere else. It's smack dab in the middle, and I hate that for me because I would love to just do one large artwork painting here and have that be the focal point. But now I have to figure things out. So let's go ahead. I'm trying to decide in real time if I'm going to tape off the walls. I don't think I am. YOLO, you know what I'm saying? So we just about to start painting, and then let's go head to the stores. So the paint that I'm using I actually picked up from Home Depot, and it's called Mesa Taupe is the color. I'll put it in the description, and it is a satin finish just in case if anyone is looking for the color and wanted to use the same one. And here is the final reveal. So I absolutely love how it came out. Everything in this hallway was created by me. The dress, the console table, you know, the gallery wall shows just like my journey over the years as a designer, the artwork. Like, I really just love walking through this hallway every single day and just feeling inspired by my creativity and my artwork. And I think it came out so good. So yeah, that's the final review. And for those who have been asking for an update on my console table, it is still going strong. I have not had any issues. Nothing has fell apart. The glue that I used is still sturdy, and I love it even better in the hallway. Again, just being able to walk by the thing that I created every day just makes me feel so good. So leave me a comment, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about the final reveal, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.